Road safety signage and signs are an important aspect of traffic management, used to guide drivers, pedestrians, and bicyclists safely through roadways. These signs come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors and convey important information such as speed limits, construction zones, and road hazards. They also play a crucial role in directing traffic and are an essential tool for preventing accidents and injuries. In this video, you will learn about the mandatory road safety signage and signs, their meanings, and how to properly interpret them. Mandatory signs. These signs are obligatory on the traffic which uses a specific hour of road. These signs indicate what must one do, rather than must not do. Mandatory road signs are generally round in shape with red border. Some of them are blue in color. Stop and give way are octagon and triangular, respectively, in shape. Violation of these signs attract heavy fines and punishments. Importantly, violation of these could lead to major crashes also. Few example of mandatory signs. Stop. Give way. No entry. Truck prohibited. Let's understand the mandatory signs with example. Mandatory sign. Stop. This is one of the most important and prominent road signs. This sign indicates that drivers should immediately stop. Usually police, traffic and toll authorities use this sign at checkposts. Give way. This sign is used at roundabouts where a specific lane discipline is to be followed. This sign directs the traffic to give way to the fellow traffic on your right side. No entry. This sign notifies that entry is prohibited for all vehicles. Certain pockets of an area or road are demarcated as no entry areas for traffic. This could be entry to a restricted area or no traffic zone. So the driver should obey it and divert his route. Trucks prohibited. As sign itself speaks, the area designated is a no entry zone for trucks or HMV. These could be narrow lanes or congested areas where entry of heavy transport vehicle could obstruct smooth flow of traffic. No parking. This sign is very significant in major cities. It prohibits parking of a vehicle in the designated area. Any vehicle parked here is towed away and occupant driver is liable to penal action. Therefore, drivers should park their vehicle in authorized parking areas only. Right turn prohibited. This sign directs driver not to turn towards right side in any circumstance. Left turn prohibited. This sign indicates that left turn is prohibited. U-turn prohibited. This sign can be seen at some of the busy intersections on roads. The U-turn at these intersections could result in major crashes or traffic jams. The driver should not violate this sign to avoid fine and any untoward incident. Horn prohibited. Excessive and unnecessary honking is treated as unruly behaviors in modern society. However, there are silence zones where honking is completely prohibited, such as near hospitals, schools, etc. This sign directs driver to respect the silence zone and not to use horn. Width limit. This sign indicates the width of the vehicle, which is allowed to enter the zone beyond it. The vehicle with width above 2 meters is restricted to enter this zone. This could be a bridge or a narrow lane. Height limit. There are certain roads which pass under bridges, railway lines, etc. of low height. To avoid any untoward incident, authorities earmark height of vehicle which can easily pass under the bridge. The specified limit should be strictly adhered to avoid crashes and penal action. No stopping or standing. Some roads demand continuous flow of traffic, and stopping of one vehicle disrupt the whole traffic flow. At these areas, no stopping signs are installed. Any vehicle stopping at these places could meet and crash, and also a penal action. Speed limit. This sign designates the speed of traffic on road. The limit specified must be invariably followed to avoid penal action and crashes on the road. Load limit. This road sign limits the load of the vehicle which should ply on the road further. This sign indicates that a vehicle weighing more than 5 tons cannot use the road further, as there may be a bridge which cannot bear the weight beyond 5 tons, or the road is soft to accommodate the weight of the vehicle. Compulsory turn left. One has to turn towards left after seeing this sign. This may have been installed due to diversion. Compulsory turn right. This sign directs the driver to turn right only. Obeying this sign will lead to safety and hassle-free drive. Compulsory ahead. This sign indicates the traffic should move in straight direction, and turning to either side would lead to penal action and safety hazard. Compulsory keep left. This sign indicates that the driver should drive in left lane for smooth traffic flow. This sign is installed mainly on the roads which do not have divider in between and to weigh traffic flows on the same road. Compulsory ahead or turn right. This sign directs the traffic to either move straight or take right turn. Turning towards left is prohibited. Compulsory ahead or turn left. This sign directs the traffic to either move straight or take left turn. Turning towards right is prohibited. Violation of these signs may jeopardize your safety and may also lead to penal action. Hope all have understood the mandatory road signs and the information conveyed by them. Thank you for watching.